See, basically, my voiceover classes are for people or for aspirants who are very interested in creating their own craft, which is voice. And this voice is a recession free work, and online classes happens because for this pandemic time and for this lockdown time, workshops cannot happen on one-to-one sessions. Online workshops பண்ணும்போது இட்ஸ் ஓப்பன் ஃபார் எவ்ரிபடி. யார் வேணால் பண்ணலாம். ஏஜ் குரூப் கிடையாது. இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருந்தால் மட்டுமே திஸ் can happen. Like, you can approach me. I am available online, and you have my number, you have my email ID. You can call me for any kind of clarifications. And few people wanted me to do in Hindi and Tamil. See, English வந்து ஒரு யூனிவர்சல் லாங்குவேஜ். இந்த விஷயந்தான் தமிழ்லையும் இருக்கும், பெங்காலிலையும் இருக்கும், ஒடிசாவில் இருக்கும், தெலுங்குல இருக்கும், மலையாளம்ல இருக்கும், கன்னடத்துலையும் இருக்கும். So this information which I share, which is in common English, which can enhance your thoughts, because we read ஜென்ரலாக வந்து புக்ஸ் படிக்கும் போது we read in English, we understand that. இதே இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் தான் இங்கேயும். நீங்கள் படிக்கும் போது என்ன வேணும், என்ன நுவான்சஸ் இருக்குது, வாட் இஸ் த மெட்ரிக்ஸ், எப்படி கிளைண்ட் அப்ரோச் பண்ணலாம், யார் இருக்கிறாங்க, இதுக்கு என்னால் பண்ண முடியுமா, நான் நல்லா பாடுவேன், ஐம் அ குட் சிங்கர் பட் ஐ காண்ட் ஸ்பீக் குட் இங்கிலீஷ், எனக்கு வாய்ஸ் ஓவரில் வரணும், எனக்கு பேஷன் இருக்குது பட் செய்ய தெரியல, எங்கே அப்ரோச் பண்ணணும், யாரை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ண முடியும், இது எப்படி என்ஹான்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், என்ன ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும், இது எதுவுமே தெரியாதவங்களுக்கு தான் இந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன். See, I'm just trying to share my 15 years of knowledge on how this industry works and how do you get benefited, because as I told you, it is recession free work and it is suitable for everybody. When I can do it, you can also do it. Simple. அந்த சின்ன சின்ன விஷயம். See, சில பேர் கேட்டிருந்தாங்க in my conversations with them, சார் இது ஆன்லைனில் ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகுமா எனக்கு தெரியல, நேரில் கற்றுக்கிற மாதிரி வராது, unless you get trained in person, how would I understand better? Yes, you're welcome to my workshops. You can come approach, because I can't come to your hometown. I am stationed somewhere else. You are somewhere else. இங்கே இருக்க லோக்கலைஸ், இங்கே இருக்க ஹோம் டவுன் பீப்புளுக்கு மட்டும்தான் என்னால் என்ஹான்சிவாக சொல்லிக் கொடுக்க முடியும்னா I'll be restricted to one particular area, one particular domain. Now the world is very small. You have clients from somewhere across the globe, and you have to market here and you have to work across with him. So in the intricate things, in the kind of work, online work is easy for everybody. There are YouTubers. சார் நல்லா வீடியோ பண்ணுறேன், என்னால் பேச முடியல, என்ன பண்ணால் நல்லா பேச முடியும். See, practice makes you perfect. இவ்வளோ தான் விஷயம். When everybody are trying to be inspiring each other and slowly coming into the frame of doing some work on your talent, this is absolutely a talent-based work. And you have to practice in such a way that you understand the nuances and the metrics of the industry, how it works. Who are your clients? What kind of exercises that you need? What kind of modulations are required? And இதுக்கு கேட்டாங்க சில பேர், சார் சர்டிஃபிகேட் உண்டா? Okay, you are an MBA. Until you go to the interview segment, your papers are valid. After which, what you crack through the interview matters you for getting a job. அதே மாதிரி தான். You practice a lot, like I would say, even in a simple way, knowing swimming is good rather than having a swimming suit. Like, a swimming suit is ideal. I mean, it's a waste. It's an ideal thing that you can have. Unless you know swimming, you need to have a bit of training for that. சும்மா நான் ஸ்விம்மிங் சூட் வச்சிருக்கேன்றதுக்காக நீங்கள் ஸ்விம்மர் கிடையாது. You can't know swimming until you master it, until you learn it. Having a car doesn't mean that you can drive a car. You have to learn driving. அது மாதிரி தான், you have to enhance your skill set and get along the market to know there are lots and lots of opportunities. How is it available? எங்கேருந்து வந்துச்சு இதெல்லாம்? See, YouTubers, they are asking me, சார் எனக்கு பேசிக் ப்ரைஸ் இருக்குது, we are not corporates. We are only beginners, we are vloggers, we are YouTubers, we wanted to do this. Of course, you can negotiate because you can upbring them as well. அவங்ககிட்ட நீங்கள் ஹெவியாக சார்ஜ் பண்ண முடியாது. And some people are saying that voiceover are very costly. Who said it? This domain doesn't have any particular kind of standard rates at all. Out of my experience, out of my knowledge, I have my skill set to quote my client on a better way. When he has budget, he comes to me, he fixes me. Otherwise, fine, no problem. There might be 10 clients who would say no to you. The 11th client would wait and come to you. Believe in that. எல்லாருக்கும் அதே platform தான். We all come in the same kind of expertise and the same kind of knowledge, the same kind of experiences. Client differs. அவ்வளவுதான். A client who's very good to me might be bad to another person. An artist who's very, very good to a client might not be workable with another client. It's okay. The market is open. See, I'll tell you. யார் வேணா எவ்வளோ வேணா ஒர்க் கொடுக்கலாம், எவ்வளோ வேணா செய்யலாம். ஆனால் அல்டிமேட்டாக வாட் இஸ் பீயிங் given to the client matters, இல்லையா? So when you satisfy a client's obligations, his specifications, his budget, and of course you do a meticulous and a very, very brilliant way, the job comes back to you. And that client would refer you to another client. So without you marketing, he will sit or you will sit in one particular place and your business goes on. See, sitting here in this place in deep South India, in Chennai, I work with clients from Pan-India. The Pan-Indian clients are coming back to us. Every possible. Because of online market. And சில பேர் சொல்கிறாங்க online learning வந்து it's confusing. It might be lucrative if I come in person. See, I'm available online as I told you. I can pick up a call and speak to you and clarify all the doubts. No issues. See, you have to know the nuances. In the industry, எப்படி work பண்ணது, how does it enhances your skill set, how does it look onto you as a beginner, இதெல்லாம் நீங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். See, basically, everybody has a good voice. God's gift is a voice. நம்மெல்லாம் நல்லா பேசுகிறோம், எக்ஸ்டெம்போவாக இருக்கும், சில விஷயங்கள் நல்லாவே வந்து ப்ரெடிக்ட் பண்ணுறோம், சில விஷயங்கள் வந்து we have that knowledge to understand. இந்த வாய்ஸ் வச்சு என்ன பண்ண முடியும்னு நினைக்கிறவங்க மட்டும். See, ஒரு செட் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் வந்து சிங்கர்ஸாக போயிடுறாங்க. Another set of people, they go into dubbing. See, there are two different genres. Voice over is giving life to text. Anga dubbing la emotion. You act and you enact, you emote as an artist. Inga, you giving life to the text. A client has an explainer video. A client has a documentary video. He wants the voice over for that. He comes and approaches to you. Ning eppadi panna mudiyum? How can your voice fit into that voice? I mean, that script. So, நீங்க பண்ணா எப்படி நல்லா பண்ணுவீங்களோ, if you happen to do that, how best you can do it matters. That's all. And எல்லாருமே எல்லா லாங்குவேஜிலும் பண்ண முடியாது, because the market is open and people are open. And when online companies approaches me for having my kind of voiceover videos or audio sessions inside their platform, I welcome them, because they have a traffic. They feel that they can market it. We go on a hand-in-hand coordination with all these kind of stuff, technically or maybe on part of the database or on part of the curriculum, whatever it is, we have kind of conversation with them and we establishes the course. The course that we spend or the time that you spend here isn't a big thing at all, because learning is huge. What we learn today with some basic pricing is what you earn tomorrow. So in the pricing, it matters. It fluctuates sometime. Online markets always, like Amazonல இன்னைக்கு பார்த்த ஒரு விஷயம் வந்து நாளைக்கு வேற ரேட்ஸ்ல இருக்கலாம், Flipkartல ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கலாம், and there is a comparison always. Online platforms for learning is always on a low kind of base price, because it has to reach all the masses, and they have a strategy. They say that they don't want to burn an aspirant's pockets. That's what they say. So we'll keep our course as low as it is, so that many people are benefited. And today, when lots and lots of people want to come up along with the skills, and skill development matters a lot. Believe me, இன்னைக்கு வந்து education வந்து it is giving you some kind of revenue, you get a good placement, you work as a professional, all fantastic. That's all beautiful. But a skilled person is always having a kind of market, so that he earns and has his time across. So when there is a kind of opportunity which is lying in front of you, and if you feel that voicing is your talent, you can just go for it. You can never have a second thought. Can I do it? will it be easy for me? எனக்கு ஸ்கெப்டிக்கலாக இருக்குது, எனக்கு டவுட்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது, நான் பண்ணால் சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக ஆகுவேனா எனக்கு தெரியல, I can't take a chance. See, unless you get onto the water, you cannot learn swimming. Unless you have a pan and do something, you can't learn cooking. Something similar to that. I'm just giving a very, very basic, raw example. Unless you practice and get on to the field, you would not. So when I have entered the market, I had no basic idea. People say that you have a better tone, you have a better knowledge in English, try this. Now, I said, no, dubbing, oh my god, dubbing is a different thing, I don't want to get into. Character talking, animation, I can't do, I don't know. And அப்போ அவ்வளோதான் இருந்துச்சு மேக்ஸிமம். are you a talented person, can you mimicry somebody or can you do a mimicry? இல்லை, கண்டிப்பாக எனக்கு mimicry வராது, dubbing வராது. What would I do? I just have my tone. இந்த டோன் வச்சு பாடவும் முடியாது. I am not a singer too. So what would I do? I had a confusion when my people supported me saying that yes, you can do it. There is somebody who's having a trust on you. Believe that. It's a God's word. God cannot come and tell you saying that you can do this. You have this kind of conversation with your very close mates, maybe your father, mother, wife, husband, brother, anybody. Believe in them because they believe you. Try that genre. It is not a rocket science or a magic, as I've been telling you. Take up the online classes and see what best you can learn. There are plenty of online classes available. And for voiceovers, I'm here to support you. And I would not be able to say much more on this because you have to learn on your practice. I am sharing my knowledge, I'm sharing my experiences, I'm giving my tips to you on a very, very transparent note, on a very economical category or a pricing that I can do in online. And there are plenty of online companies which have come across. My courses are available in most of the online platforms you can check into. And keep trying, do your best. I'm sure that everybody can have their own clienteles and have their own revenue. Success is yours. Happy voicing.